Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is spicy chutney dosa. Let's start the recipe. Add salt in dosa batter and 1 pinch of eating soda. Adjust salt as per your taste and mix well. Add little water and mix well. Add 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and grind into paste. I used 3 medium-sized onions. You can store this onion paste for 1 to 2 days in refrigerator. These are roasted chana dal. Just grind them into powder. You can store this powder in an airtight container. Spread dosa batter on the pan and add few drops of oil. If dosa is cooked perfectly on both sides, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Now spread 1 tablespoon of spicy onion paste on the dosa and sprinkle the roasted chana dal powder on it. Serve hot with peanut chutney. Peanut chutney link is given in the description box. Please watch it. More breakfast recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.